welcome to another day in Subnautica Sub-Zero. I am currently roaming around looking for some lithium and figured that I would also visit the new biome, the pink heat vents or something. I think they're calling it something like that, which makes sense because it's pink heat vents. But I was hoping I could find some lithium along the way. We are running low on that. Lots of diamond everywhere. Even magnetite, we've got a good amount of that. Hello, Mr. Sand Shark. Not so nice to see you. Oh. Where's this going? What is up here? Oops. Again, my driving. Oops. Whoops. Ah, another empty cave. Oh, except for all the rock punchers. Does this go anywhere? I don't think I can even fit in there. Okay, now I'm all turned around. Wait, there we go. I didn't get turned around. I did, didn't I? I think I did. Oh, well, now I'm all messed up. Let me try to get my bearings. Yeah, should be about right, I think. Because it's the direction we kind of went to get to. Ah, okay, yeah. Now, we've only seen a little bit of this so far when we went to go in the area that the juvenile sea emperor is in. So I don't know how big this area is. Ooh, there's something down there. Ooh, a sleeper module. That's new. Haven't had one of those yet. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. Alright, there are lots of pieces. docking module. Wonder what that's for. Sweet. I think we're pretty good on crystalline sulfur, but I'll pick up a couple. Oh, I'm still sea truck dock. I don't know what the docking it to what.
"30 seconds.
Oh, we're under the ice. Anything interesting this way? I think we're out of that new biome. Maybe we can come back this way after. Oh, sorry. I think we left the pink vent biome. Well, we know where to get sulfur. Whoa! Whoa! What are you? No! Go away! Oh my god, what is that? No! Go, 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 go. Oh my god, that scared the hell out of me. What the hell is that? And it's still chasing me, isn't it? That was so not cool. I gotta fix my truck. Oh, wrong thing. 5. Well, whatever that was, it is not something I'm gonna go try to scam. Ever. Ever, 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 ever. Jesus. Hopefully that's just his territory over there and he stays over there. And that we can find any stuff that we need outside of his territory. We're getting back to the normal spires here. So I would imagine if we found a few parts of modules in the pink sector, then that's where we're going to find the rest of them. But I think I've gotten myself a little bit turned around with that petrifying encounter with God knows what that was. This is, oh, it was looking really light blue there for a minute. I was like, what is up with that? Okay, yeah, so we're definitely, it's back this way. Please let any pieces be far away from whatever tried to kill me.
Seek fluid intake.
That looks like something down there. Okay, it says seek fluid intake.
Vital signs stabilizing.
Ooh, a couple things down here. Okay. A few things down here.
New technology created.
Excellent. Ooh, lithium.
New technology acquired.
Fantastic. But I've gotten myself all turned around again, haven't I? Oh,
30
thank
seconds.
God. Oh, no, 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 no. No, you stay up there. Up there where you belong. Could have sworn I saw lithium. Okay. Alright, so what do we have so far? Oh, did we get the whole things for... We got the whole things for both of them. Very cool. We'll figure out what the docking module does. Oh, is this gonna be the bad guy's territory? I wonder if he comes down in here and if I'd be able to scan him from the bottom. Whoops. Stuck again. Trying to get out of this territory really fast. Whoa. Let's just go in deep. guess nothing in here. Ooh, the glow whales. My life here, I don't know what the big bad is. I don't even know if this was the same area we were in before when we got attacked. Oh, I think he would eat me if I tried to scan him. Can it be done from far away? No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Ooh, maybe they made it in the game so when you're scanning them, they don't attack you. No, I just want to scan you. No, 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 no. No. Oh, I'm dead. I tried. I tried to be brave. Oh, boy. Okay, well, we got a couple new fragments. Gotta go back and get the ship. Assuming that the big bad hasn't ruined it. Which would stink. Oh, I wonder if all of my lithium dropped there when I died. I hope so. He was very not friendly. That's just yucky. I'm going right back into his territory again, which really doesn't seem like the brightest idea. Ooh, lots of lithium. Might as well pick up salt too. Always very useful. Of course. Wait, no, not that one. Wait, are you kidding me? Oh, there we go. Alright, let's get some air.
30 seconds.
And then figure out where my sub is again. There it is. That away. There's the big bad. Oh, come on. Come on. I just want my ship.
Thirty seconds.
Well, he didn't attack my ship, which is a good thing. But I wonder if all the stuff that I had when I died is over there where he did kill me. Should I try to creep over? No, 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 no. I thought he wasn't noticing me. Oh, man. He is a nasty one. My stuff isn't worth it. I can always find other stuff. Oh, those are funky. Can we scan those? Nope. So that guy knew I was there like the whole time. He was just playing with me, trying to make me feel safe. Yeah, you can stay right there. Hey, get out of here. Truck again, so I can have another chomp at you. Sure. Oh, more lithium. You know, I can probably eat something, drink something, get out and get more lithium. There we go. At least we know where it is now. Alright, I want to head that way. But we can see what else is around. Preferably without getting killed again. I wonder if there's one of them or more. Funky biome. Kind of looks like a sponge, like a sea sponge. That was a pretty productive run. Wound up getting 2 new parts for the truck. Now, what do we need for these new modules? Well, we do need to put some stuff away, but we got some... Whoops! What just happened? That's interesting. Alright, that was interesting. Okay, let's put away some lithium first. Ooh, we need lead too. Okay, and for our new stuff, let's see. Docking module, plasteel, advanced wiring kit, and 2 lead. Oh, I don't think we have 2 lead. And the sleeper, 3 lead, fiber mesh, and plasteel. Plasteel isn't going to be a problem. We can make one of them at least, because we do have 2 lead. Alright, there's an ingot. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, we can't do another ingot yet. We have too many things in here. We can make a plasteel. Alright, what things do we have? The sulfur stuff can get put away. Wait, do we have any run-in naturals? Nope. Alright, so it has to go into overstock. And there's no room there either. So it has to go into equipment. Alright, now we can get some more titanium. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There we go. Ingot. Plasteel. I think that the next thing, if we're gonna do the docking one first, we need an advanced wiring kit, which is a wiring kit, computer chip, and gold. Computer chip, copper wire, gold, and 2 table coil. Copper wire, 2 table coil, gold. Oh, we need a wiring kit. I think I should have brought 1 more gold over with me. I think the advanced one needs that. Yeah, 2 gold. Okay. Alright, well now we've got everything for the docking station, I believe. So let's head on up here. See what this thing is. Rear only sea truck. Docking module. Ooh, you could take your prawn suit along with the rod. Ooh, sweet. We haven't made the prawn suit yet. Oh, here comes the big storm again. Oh, there it is. Just lose track of where I am. There we go. Let's drive it down. So since this isn't end one. You know what? Let's put it on the end of the fishy one right now. Fishy one? Nah. Let's put it on the end of this one. Oh, that would go over here. Ooh, except can we get in? Ooh, I have no oxygen. Hang on. Didn't give me its normal warning. Yeah, we can still get in even if it's attached, it looks like, hopefully. Oh, but it has to be at the very, very... it's okay. Wait a minute, am I going the right way? Yep. Alrighty. Oh, you can't get in that way. Oh. That's interesting. Okay, so you're always going to have to go in... Oh, you can go in the top. Okay. Cool. Alright, and this is... So we're going to have to make our prawn suit.
30 seconds.
I wonder what that takes. And the next time we go to land, we can definitely do the snow fox. Oh, again with the lead. Reinforced glass. We don't have a recipe for reinforced glass. That's interesting. Well, the parts to the... Oh, we might need to go back to that cave system, because where the parts to the prawn suit were found, you would imagine that any clues to how to make stuff would be back there. Alright, what are these three things? Penguin, consume almost exclusively fish, regurgitated by the adults, and they are harmless. The penguin, which we read about before, are less cuddly than they look. Alright. A bear-like land creature that hunts in packs and can build up remarkable speed over the snow. Yes, we have experienced that. Okay, and then magnetite. Alright. Now I believe that one or two of these came in while I was doing some gathering. So, just in case you guys didn't see these, Sam contacted Rob and said that they found Jeffries and they're returning him to the Vesper. And no kidding, he wants to speak to you. And then he gets on and he's like, Goodall. And Robin was like, Jeff, what happened? He was on patrol at the research site. A warper came for him and teleported him to the next sector. And Sam said the warpers only ever attacked infected targets before, but he says he's been scanned and he's not infected. She said, how are you separated from your GPS tracker? He said an ice worm chased me up to the cargo platform and his suit got ripped. Seems a bit fishy to me. The CEO wants to see you in his office the moment you're back on board. Robin says don't let him bully you, Jeff. And Jeffrey says I'll call you later. So, I think that's about it.